Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Maggie. If you guys are new, today I'm going to be doing another Shein haul. This is, all things Black Friday related. I have so many cute things to share with you guys, so many cute outfits. So if you guys are interested, definitely keep on watching. I'll have everything linked in the description box, to the items mentioned. Not sponsored. Really excited to share everything with you guys. So let's go ahead and jump straight into the video. It is a really gloomy day. It's been super gloomy here in Toronto for the past so many days, and I'm just like putting off filming this video, guys. So please excuse the lighting if it's like a little too dark, but I think it should be fine from this camera. So the first item that I wanted to share with you guys is this pair of pants. It is so cute, like so comfortable and cute. This outfit is like, great for lounging at home, but you can also like wear this pair of pants out because it's so cute. This is essentially what it looks like. They're just like gray, kind of like super soft pants, and I don't really know what you would call this. Like, it's not sweatpants because it doesn't look as casual as sweatpants, but it is so much more comfy than sweats. I feel like Brandy Melville would have a pant similar to this. It's essentially, the fabric is kind of like a sweater material, but excuse my little house slippers, but it drapes so perfectly on your waist, and it has like the little buttons, and it honestly looks really cute. And this is just what it looks like. I feel like it looks so good. It's comfy, but you can also like wear this out, make this like a cute little outfit. I'm literally just wearing it with like a tank top and like the shrug from Yes Style, but it's actually really cute, and I'm gonna be wearing it out a lot because it's so cute. And I think it's a great piece for the winter if you want like a nice casual athleisure look. So this is the first item. Okay, so this is another pair of pants that I wanted to show in this haul video, guys. I actually really like the fit of this one as well. So let me just show you what it looks like. So they kind of just look like black cargo pants, but they're like a denim material. I feel like a lot of cargo pants are like different fabrics, which sometimes I don't really like, so I just want like a denim, full denim cargo pant. I don't know why, like somehow every time I order from Shein, the fit of it is actually really good. I probably got this in like a US 4 or something, like a small. It's like a really great low-waisted vibe. I obviously don't have to wear it with like such a cropped item. I could do like a nice, obviously winter appropriate look. I just think the fit of it and everything is really nice, and I highly recommend this if you guys have been looking for like a pair of cargo pants that are denim material. This is exactly the pair to go for. I feel like it'll look great with like some sweaters, some sweatshirts. Like, I feel like this would look so cool with like a fun little sweatshirt or like a cool hoodie, and like your hair in like either a high ponytail or like a low bun or something. Oh my god, so cool. Or like you can wear it with like what I'm doing right now. It's perfect. It's really nice. And yeah, once again, the length perfect as well. Let's move on to the next one. Guys, literally my next outfit, so cute. One of my favorite things ever this year has just been off the shoulder everything. Like literally since January of this year, I've just been really into off the shoulder, long sleeve tops, off the shoulder sweaters, and this one is just so cute, like genuinely adorable. It's the most perfect shade of gray, and it's like a little bit shorter. I feel like my off the shoulder sweaters are really long, so this one is nice because it kind of hits you like at the waist, so you can wear like some cute pants with it. These are just from Princess Polly, and I love them so much. They're just white and really cute. And this is like a really cute little put together outfit, which we love. Like, I am actually obsessed with this. Like, I love a white pant, every day. I love a white pant to the office. If you work corporate, like this is so cute. Usually I go for like oversized stuff, so this sweater is super cute because it's a nice fit. And it is the most perfect shade of gray, as I mentioned, and the knit is very cute as well. Like, it just has like these kind of pinstriped ribs going down it, which I think is very cute. It's great. So I'll link it down below for you guys to check out if you're interested and have been looking for like a cute little off-the-shoulder sweater, because this is really cute. Love it so much. A moment for this jacket, guys. So cute. If you've been looking for a white creamy teddy coat, it's so cute. Wore this out with my friend the other day and got complimented, and I mean, obviously, like, it's just so cute. The perfect fit. It's chunky, but it's not gonna make you look like you know, too chunky. And it has like the black leather detailing, which just makes an ordinary white teddy coat that much more unique, you know what I mean? Has the little silver detailing and silver buckles, which I think is like the cutest thing ever. Actually keeps you warm. Like I wore this out the other day, and in Toronto it's getting cold already, and it was very, very warm. And like as we speak right now, I'm getting hot just by wearing this. So very, very comfy, keeps you warm, and it looks cute. You know, I haven't delved into like the white jacket kind of situation previous years, but this kind of helped me get into it. Really, really like it on me. I think it's very cute, and I'm so excited to continue wearing this. Honestly, it looks great with like gray, looks good with white. I wore it with black pants the other day, so it's very versatile as well. So love it, love it, love it. I just raved about that little white jacket, but I also just now want to rave about this little black jacket. This is definitely more me. Definitely feel like this is stuff that I usually would wear. This is like my comfort zone. Black little leather bomber jacket. I think it is the cutest thing ever. Like so cute. Good quality, guys. Like I just want to say that this is not just one little layer of like leather. This is like actually lined, like I don't know, plush. There's like fluff inside. Like it's gonna keep you warm. Obviously it's a little bit too cold to be wearing this out right now in Toronto, but if you do live in a little bit of a warmer climate where you're able to wear, you know, thinner jackets still, like highly recommend this one. I think it's so cute. And again, it literally hits you right at the waist, makes you look taller because your legs are obviously more elongated with it, but also it's not like overstimulating. It's not like a super bulky jacket, which I like because I tend to get overstimulated with like a thicker jacket. So all in all, I really, really like it, and I just think the quality of this is amazing. The shape of it is so nice. I wish I had this in the fall. It would have been the cutest fall jacket. But if it is like not super cold one day in Toronto, I'm definitely going to be pulling this out and wearing it. But I think it's going to be such a nice piece for me to wear next spring when it becomes a little bit more warm. I think I'm definitely going to get my fair share of use out of this. I love it so much and highly recommend this piece to you guys to check out. This is the third jacket that I wanted to share with you all. I feel like this is like such a little jacket edition of a Shein haul, but I actually really like this as well. This was the one that I was a little bit skeptical about, but I actually think it is so cute. Essentially, it is like a, you know, shearling jacket, but the outside is this kind of grayish vibe leather on the outside, and it has like a faded gray pattern situation going on. And the inside, it's actually so soft. Like I put this on just now. It was my first time wearing it. The other two I've worn before, and I was just like surprised by how soft it is because it is all just like furry lined on the inside. And I just think it is so cute because yeah, like I just love that touch. How, you know, sometimes for these fur coats, like obviously the outside is lined with fur, but the inside is furry as well, which I think is cute, and it keeps you warm, guys. So I'm literally wearing a tank top right now, and this is so warm. So definitely great if you're in a colder climate area. And again, it's got some leather detailings just along the jacket, which I think is so cute. Like all the little leather bits. It's also got silver hardware, which is my favorite. I love silver. I think it just adds to the coolness of the overall jacket, and I love it so much. I think that this one is super cute as well, and I've literally just been wearing like my black top and my white pants throughout the entire video and kind of just using these jackets to mix and match. But I think it actually looks so cute. Goes to show that, like, you know, have some nice basics and then you can play around with your outerwear, your coats. So I'm so excited to be wearing this more. I think it'll be really cute, and I think it'll be so cute. Like I can add a hat to this look as well, like a little cap or something. But yeah, I'm actually so obsessed, and I feel like I've been saying that throughout the entire video, but I'm just surprised by how cute this jacket is. The fit, obsessed. So cute, so warm, so comfortable, and very stylish, and it'll look so cute in pictures, I bet. So highly recommend this piece as well, and it's definitely going to be linked down below for you guys. All right, thank you guys so much for staying until the end. If you guys did, give this video a big thumbs up if you guys enjoyed it. Again, everything is linked in the description box for you guys to check out if you're interested. Don't forget to check me out on my other social media platforms, always linked in the description box as well. I hope you guys have a great day or night wherever you guys are, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.